My name is David Sherbakov, and I'm in Group 3, and we did the Internet of Things. I'm just going to go over what I did in this project because my team members are not done yet, so I'm just going to go over who was in my team and my part of the project and the reference page and the team members page. So my group members were James Astolas, Casey Emmerich, me, P. Shen, Daxon Patel, and Mike Cleary. And in this project, I did the future of Internet of Things in careers and education. So the future of education is very important and it's very involved with Internet of Things because education has and always will be important in our life. The human mind never stops learning if you keep it engaged. So what my research was about and what I learned about the future of education and Internet of Things and how it's connected is it's slowly expanding. IoT is slowly expanding into education because everything with these days being more online, and I guess there's less books involved and less papers, pencils. Everything is done through a computer or a tablet. Kids have it easier with, I guess, just more access to information, so it keeps their minds open if they're willing to learn. It keeps their minds open, and yeah, just it lets them expand their knowledge even faster. It also helps with teachers and how they, I guess, they put lesson plans together. They used to have lesson plans on pen and paper, and if something went wrong, they had to think of something off the top of their head for changing up the lesson plan. But now with Internet of Things and computers and everything being online and being connected through the school, teachers, if a lesson plan doesn't go the way they want it to, or the kids don't know, the kids can't, I guess, can't keep up with the lesson plan or something like that, they can just always switch it out to see what the students like and what the students don't like and what keeps students engaged. Security also plays a big part in education because with attendance being an issue in many schools, you can have like tracking devices like wristbands to see who was in the school, who did not show up that day, and it also helps with unauthorized access and students being able to get into the school because they just scan the wristband like the teachers would with their ID cards, and that would prevent unauthorized access from like school shootings or even like where you have those safety drills in school. I also got my one citation here, and it reads, Internet of Things is bringing new opportunities from schools. From aiding teachers to securing buildings, devices connected together are improving and enhancing the classroom experience. As more schools embrace IoT, students will reap the learning benefits. Peterson, 2019. I also have right here my video of a school day with Internet of Things. It's like with the future of IoT and just a generic picture. I also did future of careers of Internet of Things and how it affects it. And pretty much what it is Internet of Things is pretty much everywhere, and future careers look brighter than ever with it. Employers and companies like to be able to make more money while having less expenses, and Internet of Things helps with that. Pretty much what I learned here and my research was companies like to save money. That's a good thing always for companies. So companies like McDonald's, Amazon, they're switching out people with robots or kiosks in McDonald's case because in the long run that saves them money and they don't have to pay the $15 an hour for Amazon for a human to do work other than a robot that they can spend a couple tens of thousands on and it will work for them for 10 years. But any career in the future involving computers or um, just any career in the future involving technology or computers is safe to go for from college or get a college degree in because AI and Internet of Things only is can only progress as fast as the human I guess mind or humans will allow it, and it will always require human input to be able to progress. And because of that, it would never be able to, I guess, kick humans out of just, I guess, their jobs. Like it says in the last paragraph here, so pretty much any career or job in the future is going to involve more IoT and Internet of Things. Just with AI and Internet of Things, computers are going to be able to get faster. You get because of like ads and companies targeting people and knowing what they like. You'll be able to target the right demographic to make you or your company more money. And with Internet of Things expanding even more, it's going to be a lot easier to get things done, be able to reach out to people, get, well, yeah, I already said get things done, but have just overall life would move faster than it was before, like say 10, 20 years back. Nowadays, everything moves faster. And for the second part, I have 23 jobs of the future that are safe to go for that involve IoT or AI, and just another generic picture of everything. And then we also have our group members down here. Also, we have our team page of who did what. So far, me and James have done our parts, and everyone else should be getting done soon. And then our reference page. And then we have our reference pages. And my references were Shahid N. and the developments of Internet of Things and its effect on the job markets. And also I did Peterson A. and how Internet of Things helps with education and security. Everything looks good. Thank you very much. And I hope I do good on this project.